Are you okay? It's okay.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see his little eyeball. Right in between the two leaves. He's scared.
Hide as you can. Hide as you can. Hide as you can.
Oh my God.
Good job. See, now you're good. You're fine. Okay, you're good. See?
Oh my gosh, look, you've got it. No, 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 no. Oh my God. No, Rob! Rob, I don't know what it gave me. Oh God. Green accidentally rolled down the window. So sad. Babe, put Bryce's window up. Bryce.
Get closer to him.
He's gonna bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. They have no teeth, Dad. Where is it? Where is he? Oh my God! Just stay there. Oh! I'm scared! Christiana? Quickly, all his tongue.
Whoa.
Hey, Sophie, it's your first fish. You caught it all by yourself. Good job.
Here he comes.
Derek, you're on camera. You want kissy kissy?